Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is a little bit different to my normal videos, and I'd just like to state that my opinions in this video are just mine. I don't judge anybody who does live in these areas or wants to live in these areas. We all have the right to decide. It's just my opinion. Today is going to be a slightly different video to what I normally do. It's a spur of the moment thing. I would have shown you Reading Green Park station. It's a very new station, but as I said, we only just decided to do this on the spur of the moment, so I hope you enjoy. Many claim these areas have everything you need within a 15-minute area, which also connects to these 15-minute cities that we hear so much about. I'd like to know your opinions on what you think of these new modern builds that we see popping up everywhere.
Your local coffee cafe, more flats, plastic generic hospital looking flats. This is a school. Such beautiful architecture. The imagination that went into that is profound. So much soul. It's coming out its asshole.
Despite it being a Monday evening, not far from rush hour, it was deserted, very dead. Made it feel like a ghost town.
This road is for the more wealthy that live in these plastic estates that are being built all over Europe. They've all got electric cars. They all look exactly the same. No redeeming features, no unique characteristics. I will say it all looks quite clean though, but I'd rather live in a shed in the woods than live here. Just my personal preference. Would you like to live here?
No.
A lot of Tesla drivers will own these homes, if you actually ever really own a home, because the truth is nobody ever really owns a home, because you don't own the land that's on it, that it's on. It's just rows and rows of these houses. It goes on and on and on. It's almost like they've tried to mimic houses in northeastern USA, like New Hampshire, etc. Salem. It's called Green Park, I'm supposing because it's supposed to be green, but they're using electric to ignite their signs to different roads. You'd think they'd be using the reflective metal signs if they were green, but nope. It's literally just rows and rows of roads with these plastic looking houses and these flats with their balconies. I just find it so depressing. I know everyone's different, but personally I couldn't live here. It's just too plastic, too away from nature, which makes it ironic that they call it Reading Green Park. can't beat the countryside in my view. They got some trees on the roundabout though, that's nice of them. This all used to be farmland just 5 years ago. All of this has been put up in the last 5 years, 4 years even. And there's cameras, I'd say every 100 yards, watching everything you do, and probably listening in as well. Green bus, saving the planet, natural gas powered. Gas comes out the back of cows as farts, but they say that's going to destroy the planet. But a bus farting out gas is just fine. And there's a nice green man on his bike with his green camera helmet. Get lots of these electric scooters everywhere. And here we are under the Green Park sign that you can see from the nearby M4 motorway. More glass buildings. And what's this ominous looking thing? That 5G tower? Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Very 1984. They look horrendous. A brain radiator. Don't know if you can hear that over the cars. The EMFs must be huge here. You don't want to stay around here for too long. We're just coming out of Green Park now. That's the main road to Reading. Anyway, we're going to leave the video here. Thank you very much for watching. A little bit of a different format today. I thought I'd mix it up a little bit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Speak to you in another one. Goodbye.
Bye.